Right gang, we are on day 3 of the Advent. I was baking a cake yesterday, so I actually didn't get a chance to do this yesterday. Let's have a look at what it is. Oh, it's a nice and easy one. There is a couple of cakes, I think later on in the Advent, but this is a cookies one. So we've had biscuits, but these are obviously cookies. So we've got the Tremendous chocolate cookies. So in this one we just need salted butter and milk, which is nice and easy. Yesterday's video, I had to get a orange, so I literally walked to the shop in a storm just to get an orange for the recipe. And I just realised I need to take the dog out, but it's looking very blustery out there. Oh gosh, stuff's falling around. Anyway, getting sidetracked. Old storm. Right, we have cookie mix, then we have green white chocolate decoration. I mentioned this in the unboxing, but it's like a really weird, like, tube shaped, so I don't know why it looks like that, but you know. Then we have hundreds and thousands, and we have 2 gold stars, which is to go on the top of the tree, obviously. So that is what is in the box. All we need to do is mix the butter until it's soft. I usually either leave mine out until it's soft, or I microwave it slightly. That's what I've been doing for these recipes. And then you literally mix the cookie dough mix in with your butter, and then you divide it into 2 equal balls and flatten. So you're making 2 cookies in this one, and then you bake them for 10 minutes. So nice and easy. So yeah, we're going to get into it, and then if I have time to do a taste test before I go out, then I will today. If not, I will see you tomorrow morning for a taste test. Either way, we'll be doing a taste test, but I am excited for these. They look so cute. Let's see if mine can look just as good, because recently I have not been on my game when I've been making these Advents. I don't know what it is, they're quite hard to make cookies look pretty, whereas I'm used to making cakes look pretty. So let's see if these ones will look any better. Anyway, let's get right into it. Right gang, I have decorated the cookies. They actually look really good. I'm quite proud of these ones. These are the first of the recipes so far that have looked good. Little update on the old melting chocolate in a hot water like glass. It still doesn't really work. I did it for this one. I didn't put it in the microwave because I did that last time and I think that like made it worse. But I did just do it in the water, but it was still quite hard to get out. So yeah, it's not a bulletproof way of doing it. I also don't know if it's like normal chocolate or if it's like cake melts, because if it's able to be melted in water but doesn't work in the microwave, then I don't actually know like what it is or like what it's mixed with. But yeah, the last batch I did in the microwave and then it just made it worse. So yeah, but I did manage to get it melted enough to decorate it. It just wasn't like as thin and runny as they look in the image, but I'm really proud of this one. Look at her. This might actually be a little thumbnail because she's looking cute. So that is how it turned out. We're going to have a little quarter to eat, and then I will be giving the rest to Jules and Louis. Emma might even have some, who knows. But yeah, very proud of this one. And the actual recipe itself and like the way it turned out and everything all looks really good. Whereas like the biscuit ones, I did like not burn them, but like I overcooked them even though I followed the instructions. Whereas this one actually looks like it all turned out the way that it should. So happy with that. So we're going to take a little quarter. That's what it looks like on the inside. That is absolutely banging. That's my favourite so far. It tastes like the, you know, like the Domino's cookies where they're sort of thing where if you like warmed it up then it would be really nice. So yeah, I bet that would be banging if it was actually warmed and then it would be all gooey. I approve. Emma, do you want to try some? Just a little bit. Just break. What is it? Brownie cookie? Chocolate cookie. Very soft. Nice rich flavour. I think they're nice. They're almost like literally a brownie cookie. Yeah. Brownie texture but cookie shape. Yeah, I said it's like the Domino's cookies where they're like soft and like if you shoved it in the microwave it would be really nice. Yeah, I don't like crunchy cookies. No. I like soft, like melt in your mouth. No, they're nice. Right, that's the verdict. Very nice. So that was the Tremendous chocolate cookies. And then tomorrow's recipe is a gingerbread cake. It does say to put it in a tin, like a literal, like a baked beans tin, and bake it in that. Obviously I have cake tins, so I'm going to use a 4-inch cake tin. But yeah, so I kind of want to try it in a tin because it says to do it in a tin, but I really don't think I'll be able to get it out of the tin if I do that. I also don't know if I'd want to, yeah, anyway. That's for tomorrow's. But yeah, it does tell you to do it in like a baked beans tin, which is very interesting. But yes, so that is day 4. We've still got 8 days to go, and we've still got quite a few days until Christmas, luckily. So yeah, I'm gonna go and give these to the rents, get their verdicts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye gang.